Hello everyone. So for today, I was thinking we could create some belly band and a pocket with the vintage, or not vintage, the old shirt piece. So let's just go at it, shall we? Again, I thought it was a good idea to use what we already have going here. Add some layers. This one I'm kind of making like a cluster. Well, both of them I'm going to kind of make like a cluster, but you get the gist of what I'm doing, hopefully. I have to let you go quick. I got a phone call. Sorry about that. Oh, there we go. My dad had to drop off chili to us. Or wanted to drop off chili to us is what I should say. So I have this piece and I've been kind of holding on to it, not knowing what to do with it for a while now because it's so big. So I am happy to find a good place for it. Ah. I think that makes a magnificent belly band. Just want to see how big I can. It's about 4. So it ain't like huge, but it is huge all at the same time. Now this one, I was thinking about grabbing out my bag full of buttons. See if I find any buttons that I think would be cute to put on there. 2, 3. Try to keep them small. 4. 5. Just stick them on like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I can take a little bit of this jute . I'm just going to stick it on the opposite side. So I've learned, I personally like adding a little bit of glue to the back of it so I can get it to be shaped the exact way I want it shaped, like that. So there, and maybe we'll add another one to this just to put them together a little bit here. Maybe. We'll see. No, I don't really like that. Alright. So I think this is done. This one is a little pocket, and this is my belly band. And I'm going to just try straightening this out just a bit. That looks a little better. So, a belly band and a pocket. Again, out of them, just the hand area, and it also has a button down here, which I really like. That it still, I kept its button just for that. But again, I really like this idea. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video of making a belly band and a quick small pocket for your junk journal, all still having to do with just this part of a shirt. The arm, the shoulder, and then this part I used to make the 2 pieces. So, I mean, again, really easy to do. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.